Water. Give me water. Water and sugar. Water and sugar. Get sugar, and water. Is there? Where is Dr. Wale?
Come on, this country, what is going on? Because I really want to know, especially APC government. It never get any type of drama. We will never act for this country. What is going on? Person where they select as minister, come house, come collect his screening. They just they prepare question when they go ask them. They never even ask them the question. He don't declare anything. Shebi, if you are not feeling fine, you for talk am before. Say you get as body they do you. Make them postpone and go another day. But they just they prepare screening when they go screen you. You don't declare anything. Shebi, wetin you want to them? Make them talk. Say okay. They don't see say he's not feeling fine. Make them just clear am. Make them give am in paper. Make it they go. In fact, may una see video first. Make it now be like say I carry the talk.
Yes, distinguished Senator Marshall.
Mr. President, sitting as chair, Senator Sunday Marshall Katung, I represent the people of Kaduna South Senatorial District from Kaduna State. Mr. President, I want to thank you for this privilege to stand and speak on behalf of our nominee. First, to thank Mr. President for nominating him, and to quickly state that the three senators from Kaduna have no objection to his nomination. Also, to state quickly that he was also born in my senatorial district. He attended same A levels like me, where he also became a lecturer when I jackpot to University of the same year I jackpot to University of Lagos to commence my studies as a lawyer. He's a seasoned administrator from his resume as presented. He's also somebody who has understood the
Mr. Wait. Can you say water? Give me water. Water and sugar. Water and sugar. Get sugar, and water. Is there? Where is Dr. Wale? Can the camera see immediately? Can we have a closed session? Will the cameraman please leave us? Will the cameraman please leave us? Come.
Shebi, una don't see the video. What exactly do we call this? Let me know what you think on the comment section. Una alright, so